In this video, we're going to cover how to go ahead and sign up and create your Trimble Connect account, as well as purchase licenses using the e-commerce functionality within Trimble Connect. Here, we're going to first go to connect.trimble.com, which is the main web page for Trimble Connect, and then we'll press the Get Started button. This will prompt us to create an account. Here, I filled all my credentials in, I agree with the terms and service, and I'll go ahead and sign up and create my account. An email is then sent to me for me to verify and activate my account. Here, I'll go ahead and set my password and using my email address, and then now I can go ahead and log in. On the initial login, I need to fill in some additional information about my company. Once filled in, I'll just go ahead and press the Submit button. And now I'm logged into the Trimble Connect interface. Now the very first thing I'll show you is that we have an Applications icon at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. When we press this, it's going to show you the downloads for Trimble Connect Desktop, as well as the download for the Trimble Connect Desktop synchronization tool for file synchronization, as well as the Autodesk Revit plugin for publishing models from Revit to Trimble Connect. Now, if you want to access the mobile application, you can go to the iOS App Store or Google Play App Store and on your phone or on your tablet, and you can easily download and install that application. Now, when you get started with Trimble Connect, you have a free personal account, and you can create one project. So here we can just go ahead and say My First Project. And here we can choose the hosting location where we want this project hosted. And then once I create this project, I can go inside and I can go to the Team tab page, and I can invite up to 5 other users with my free personal account. Now I can also be invited as a user to up to 5 other projects. So here when I come to my projects panel, you can see that I've got my first project that I created, and then I've been invited as a user to 5 other projects. Now one last limitation on my free personal account is that on the project that I've created, I have up to 10 gigabyte worth of storage. Now if I want to increase my storage, increase the number of projects that I can create, the number of users that I want to invite, as well as the number of projects I'm invited to, then I'm going to go ahead and upgrade my account. We can press the Upgrade Account button here at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here we're going to go ahead and purchase in US dollars. And here I'm going to choose a quantity of 2 because I want to buy 2 users for this particular account. The pricing for each user is $10 per month. I'll press the Buy Now button. I'll review my order and press Next. Then I'll fill in my billing information. I'll agree with the terms and conditions and press Next. The taxes are then included, and I need to go ahead and fill in my credit card information, and then I'll finish and purchase my licenses. Now that I've purchased my licenses, I can go ahead and manage my subscriptions. Here I can see my company name and then the subscriptions that I have. Here I'm going to go ahead and press the Manage Users. This is where I can add and remove users to my account. The first user needs to be yourself, the purchaser. Now I'm going to go ahead and add an additional user. As I add users, I can see at the top the amount of users that I've purchased and the amount of users that are used and available. I can remove users as well as buy more licenses at any time. Whenever any of these users create projects, those projects are now associated to my paid account. Now the next time I log into Trimble Connect, I'm no longer going to see the Upgrade Account button, and underneath my profile icon, I can go ahead and manage my subscriptions. Now I can review my payment history, as well as update my credit card information if I need to. Now let's go ahead and see what it looks like when I log in as the second user that I added to my account. When I go to my profile icon, I will see a My Subscriptions, but I don't have the ability to manage or change any of my subscription information. I'm just added as a user to that particular business account. Now let's go ahead and log in as the purchaser again, and then we'll go ahead and cancel our subscription. We'll go to My Subscriptions. Here we'll go ahead and press the Cancel Plan. Then from here I can see that my plan will end 1 month from now on June 17th, 2016. In conclusion, I can see here in my email account that I'm getting automated emails from Trimble that shows my purchase as well as the receipt, and then my plan change or cancellation notice here.